Welcome to Balance Academy Junior. If you're going to join us for some exercises, make sure to check with your parents or guardian first. Hello, boys and girls. I'm Hannah the Hippo. I'm here to introduce Balance Academy Junior, which is a fun way to help you improve your coordination and overall confidence. In each video, we will introduce 3 to 4 fun moves that we can all do together. For today's video, we're going to swing our arms side to side and up and down. To start, I want you to find a pair of socks. Make sure they're not too stinky. Now, for the first exercise, I want you to hold one sock in each hand. And now raise both hands up. And then bring both hands down. Both hands up. And both hands down. One last time. Both hands up and both hands down. That is excellent! Now we're going to try something a bit more difficult. We're going to alternate each hand. What that means is when one hand goes up, the other hand goes down. So let's start like this. Raise your right hand in the air and your left hand down like this. Now, when the right arm goes down, I want your left arm to come up like this. And now, let's bring your right arm up and your left arm down like this. Okay, now let's try again, but faster. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Great job! Keep going. Up and down, up and down. Now stop. Okay, that was fun. Now let's try the next exercise. I want you to hold out your arms on each side like you're a tree with really long branches. Next, I want you to bring your hand together like this and bring them apart again. Together and apart. Great! Keep going. See how fast you can do it. Together and apart. Together and apart. Keep going. Okay, now stop. Fantastic! Now, the last move is going to be a bit tricky, but I think you can do it. I want you to listen carefully and follow my lead. First, let's start with our hands to the side again. Next, I want you to bring them together. And the next move is to bring one hand up and the other hand down. And now, bring your hands back together in front of you. And now back out to the side. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's try this again following my lead. From the side, let's bring our hands together. Now one hand up and the other hand down. And back to the center. Okay, I think you're getting the hang of this, so we are going to speed it up. Side together, up and down, center. Once again, side together, up and down, center. Side together, up and down, center. Can you go faster? Side together, up and down, center. Side together, up and down, center. Side together, up and down, center. Even faster! Side together, up and down, center. Side together, up and down, center. Side together, up and down, center. Okay, stop. That was so much fun. You did a great job. You can keep practicing until you get better and better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, this is Hannah the Hippo saying see you next time.